Hi, have you ever wondered how to increase your profits from beef farming? Seemed like a puzzle, didn't it? Well, today we're going to break it down into manageable pieces, step by step. Firstly, consider growing beef cattle. In a weaner operation, calves are acquired after weaning, usually between 10 to 15 months of age. They are then fed and marketed in less than a year from the time of purchase. The investment on each calf is returned within a relatively short time. This type of operation may not require much land, but you will certainly need adequate facilities to keep the animals comfortable and under control. The profitability of beef farming can be increased by growing your own fodder crops. Maize, sorghum, oats, pearl millet, and hybrid near sorghum are high-valued materials for silage baling and fodder chopping. These can help you save money. Moreover, the quality of silage can be improved with the use of suitable additives such as molasses, urea, salt, and formic acid. Now, let's focus on the benefits of beef cattle farming. It provides income generation through the sale of live animals, milk, meat, hides, and skins. In some areas, cattle are a source of drop power and manure. Next, you'll want to increase beef output per hectare. This involves focusing on 3 areas: production per suckler cow, performance per head, and the stocking rate per hectare. It's important to keep track of your farm's figures, including the output of beef live weight per livestock unit, stocking rate, and output of beef live weight per hectare. Remember, your profitability will be determined by the difference between the cost of producing a kilogram of beef and the market price of the beef. Fixed costs include depreciation, machinery running costs, repairs and maintenance, land rental, and interest. Other costs like veterinary services, motor costs, insurance, hired labor, and machinery leases are also included. As for production options, there are a few types of small-scale cattle enterprises. 1. Growing and feeding systems. 2. Breeding herds. 3. Combinations of growing, feeding, and breeding herds. Increasing your profits from beef farming can involve fattening cattle as a business is a way to make money by increasing the weight and quality of your cattle. You can buy cattle at a low price per kilogram and sell them at a higher price per kilogram after fattening them. However, you need to manage your feed cost, margin, and conversion well to make a profit. Lastly, keep your financial records in order. The way ranchers keep records varies, but the key is to use a system that provides the information you need to meet your responsibilities. Beef farming works well with other agricultural enterprises. Cattle can make efficient use of feed resources that have little alternative use, such as crop residues, marginal cropland, and land not suitable for tillage. For people who own land but work full-time off the farm, a beef enterprise can be the least labor-intensive way to utilize their land. In conclusion, consider your resources, the land available, and your level of interest and capabilities before deciding to engage in the cattle business. Identify want to raise cattle and set goals to achieve the most constant economic return or personal satisfaction. Remember, your goals must be clearly defined, firmly fixed, achievable, and have a realistic time frame. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to increasing your profits from beef farming. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like for more content like this. Until next time, happy farming.